Print string to text file. I'm using Python to open a text document. I want to substitute the value of a string variable total amount into the text document. Can someone please let me know how to do this?
It is strongly advised to use a context manager. As an advantage, it is made sure the file is always closed, no matter what. This is the explicit version, but always remember, the context manager version from above should be preferred. If you're using Python 2.6 or higher, it's preferred to use str.format. For Python 2.7 and higher you can use instead of 0. In Python 3, there is an optional file parameter to the print function. Python 3.6 introduced f strings for another alternative.
In case you want to pass multiple arguments, you can use a tuple. More, print multiple arguments in Python.
If you are using Python 3, then you can use print function. For Python 2, this is the example of Python print string to text file.
With using pathlib module, indentation isn't needed. As of Python 3.6, fstrings is available.
That